in this video, we're gonna break down for you exactly what it cost us for this last month staying in Bangkok.
Hi, we're Jeff and Angela, and we're Pure Detour. Last year, we quit our jobs to travel the world full-time. This month, we'll be exploring and eating our way through Bangkok, Thailand. If you're familiar with this channel, you probably realize we haven't done one of these videos in a while, but we're back into our slow traveling groove, trying to spend a month in each city that we go to.
So let's jump right in with our first and biggest category, as always, accommodations.
Once again, we've lucked out with our Airbnb. Our host has been absolutely amazing, and it is an extremely comfortable Airbnb.
Yeah, we really liked it here. The actual living space, like the kitchen living room, is quite small, but luckily we hadn't been cooking all that much in the Airbnb, so that hasn't bothered us a bit. There's a balcony, a washing machine, the bedroom. I really love the bedroom. A nice big king size bed. Tons of storage space in the unit, and in the bathroom, a nice stand-up shower that I enjoyed a lot.
Great workstation inside the bedroom as well. The building we're staying in is fantastic. It's a condo unit. We have a gym, we have a pool here. We also have a complimentary golf cart that's downstairs that'll run us out to the main intersection or to the big grocery store and pick us back up if we need it.
Gets us right to the BTS station as well.
So the neighborhood that we stayed here in Bangkok is called An Nu. There is, well, within a 5 to 6 minute walk of our Airbnb, there are tons of food stalls, big, huge mega shopping centers, grocery stores, BTS station. Everything is right here. It's very convenient to get around the city.
We really enjoyed the neighborhood, but if you are coming to Bangkok for a short time, maybe you want to stay a little bit more central. We are located right next to the BTS station, and it takes about 45 minutes to get into the main city. The cost for the unit for the month was $488 US.
And our next category is our dining for the month. We are filming this right now at Best Beef in the An Nu neighborhood. So if you haven't seen our An Nu food tour, you can check that out up here. And our dining for the month cost us $332.
Yeah, and for the most part, that was just casual street food. We just pick something up, bring it back to the Airbnb, or pick it up and eat it on the street there. And that kind of dining is super, super affordable. These sit-down places are a little bit more expensive, and we did a handful of those this month. But we are finding that eating out, especially if you're just doing street food, is so much more affordable than going to buy groceries and cook it at home.
Absolutely, and you'll find out from our grocery category coming up next.
Next up is our grocery categories, and in all honesty, we did not do a whole lot of grocery shopping, as we mentioned earlier, because dining out is so inexpensive. Mostly everything we did in the grocery store was for like toiletries and a lot of salads, and our totals for the month were $310.
Next category was our phone plan for the month. We picked up a SIM card at the airport from a company called DTAC. It cost us $27 US for 30 days unlimited. We actually shared the SIM card this month because we had really great Wi-Fi in the apartment, and when we're out of the apartment, Jeff would just jack his phone off mine.
Next category up is our visas. When we came into Thailand, we came in under the visa exemption program, which gives you 30 days in the country for free. We have extended our visas for another 30 days in Thailand, and the total cost on that was $105.
Our activities for this month in Bangkok cost us $170. That included things like the food tours we went on, which were amazing. If you haven't seen them, check out a link to them up here. We find whenever we arrive in a new city, a food tour is a great way to orient yourself both to the city and to the cuisine in the area. Another one of our activities that we paid for here was the dog cafes, which we loved. If you haven't seen that video, check it out up here. It was amazing to spend the day just kind of hanging out and petting the dogs.
This month, our miscellaneous category included a haircut for Angela, some clothing, passport photos, and probably way too much alcohol.
Next category is transportation.
Bangkok is actually quite easy to navigate, especially on the public transportation, like the BTS here. We also did take quite a few taxi cabs and found them to be very affordable, as long as you make sure that the driver turns on the meter. The total cost for transportation this month was $86.
And our grand totals for the month were $1,652.
Which we're quite happy with. You know, to be in a big metropolitan city like Bangkok, it's super affordable. We had an amazing time here this month, and we've got 1 month more still coming up in Thailand, and we are super excited to continue to give you these cost of living videos throughout Southeast Asia.
Yeah. So you guys, if you have been to Bangkok and you have similar numbers or completely different, leave a comment down below and let us know.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to see what we're up to next.
Bye.
Bye.